In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books following our comprehensive 2025 guide. If you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to streamline your quoting process, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this step by step, ensuring you understand every part of the process. So let's dive in. First, you're going to start at the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your home base for managing financial data, and from here, you'll be accessing everything you need. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already, as it will make navigating smoother as you advance through the steps. Once you're comfortable on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Sales. This section is crucial as it houses all your sales transactions, from invoices to estimates, allowing you to manage your revenue streams effectively. Once you're in the sales section, your next step will be to click on Quotes. It's a simple action, but it's where you'll start crafting those all-important quotes for your clients. Now, with the Quotes page open, look for the Create New Quote button. Clicking this will open up a new window or page where you'll begin entering the details of the quote. Next, you'll need to select or add a customer. You'll see an option to either choose an existing customer from your list or add a new one. Selecting XYZ company in this guide will act as an example, but you'll choose the actual customer for your quote. At this point, you might notice sections on the page that are referred to as highlight. These are interactive fields or settings you'll need to pay attention to fill out accurately. Selecting necessary details like payment terms or itemized services and products. Click on these fields as prompted, ensuring everything is captured correctly. With those selections made, move on to selecting the date field, for instance, by clicking on 16. Additionally, there's an option for Select a Project. Projects link quotes to specific business undertakings, and keeping this organized can be beneficial for tracking purposes, so make sure you select the correct project, like company audit, in our example. Once everything is filled out, the preview will give you an overview of the quote details, highlighting any potential issues or missing information. After reviewing the subtotals for accuracy and applying any discounts if necessary, you're ready to finalize the quote. The Save and Send button at the bottom is your gateway to sending out professionally organized quotes with just a click. And there you have it, a complete, well-detailed guide on creating quotes in Zoho Books. By now, you should feel more confident in preparing quotes, helping you to maintain clear and efficient client communications. Be sure to pause and replay any part of this video if you need more time to follow along. Happy quoting!